Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to test out the trick to getting crispier chicken pieces in your air fryer by using cornstarch and baking powder, not baking soda, okay? And I got a new gadget, so we're going to use this thing here. This is the Ninja Foodie Smart XL Indoor Grill. It also air fries. Okay, but first I'm going to test it out on some fish. This is about 3 pieces of tilapia. Okay, what I got here is 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and whatever seasoning that you're using. And we're just going to take the fish and pat it up there like so. And make sure you pat your fish dry from any moisture, the water that may be on it. Okay, I sprayed the pan, the basket, I should say. And I'm going to place the fish. I'm going to wait to see what we're going to get. Okay, this is what the fish look like out of the air fryer. Let's see. This is delicious. I'm going to put the name of the channel that I seen her do the cornstarch and the baking powder in the description box. I didn't see her do fish in her video. She did the chicken, but I'm still going to put her information in the description box because this is where I got the information from. And her channel is awesome. So check it out. Okay, now I'm going to just place them in the basket. And make sure you don't crowd the basket. Okay, she used chicken thighs in her video. I'm using these small chicken pieces. So I'm going to cook them on 400 for 12 to 14 minutes. Make sure you flip at the halfway mark of the cook time. Okay, now we're going to turn them at the halfway mark and let them cook for the rest. It's delicious. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.